Then there's going to be a total lunar eclipse on the 8th of November. This one looks really difficult because look at that. Even if you didn't know a lot about astrology, this is set for New York, mind you, because it's got 16 degrees of Leo on this MC. You can see this hard energy, but you can see that Saturn is forming a square. So this is a T square, but this whole thing is called uh, a square, okay? A grand square, and it's in a fixed sign. So that's a grand fixed square, which is fixed signs are more likely to have an impact on the earth because they last longer and have the greatest impact in terms of natural disasters, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. Now it's ruled by the moon, and it says death of some queen, scarcity of seeds, and barrenness of the earth. And it's interesting because the I had some notes, but the queen has the moon, her sun's at 0 degrees of Taurus, which will be influenced by this eclipse because this is at 2 degrees of Scorpio, so it will be opposite her sun. This one here, not so much, but the previous one, the early one in May, will be because Joe Biden is a Scorpio and so is Prince Charles. And both their charts will be impacted by that eclipse in May. Okay, so it's interesting about we may hear news about the death of the Queen, and it's interesting that the actual mundane astrology books highlight this. So we'll see what happens. Sort of going through, not quite going through London.